This llano NP-W126S Battery and Charger Set provides two high-capacity replacement batteries that comfortably handle long shooting days with compatible Fujifilm cameras. The compact dual-bay charger supports modern fast charging standards, so both batteries can be topped up far more quickly than with many basic bundled chargers. Wide compatibility across numerous Fujifilm bodies makes this kit a practical choice if you rotate between several camera models or plan to upgrade in the same system. A multi-layer protection design guards against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, which inspires confidence when leaving batteries on the charger during busy shoots. The charger accepts power from wall adapters, car outlets, laptops, and power banks, giving travel photographers and vloggers flexible options in the field. A clear digital display and magnetic cover make it easy to check individual battery status at a glance while keeping the cells neatly protected in a bag.